Hi, I am going to talk about my family. Let's get started. My family is small and close knit. We live in a cozy house with a big backyard. There are 4 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my older brother, and me. My mom is kind and caring. She takes care of us and always makes sure we have everything we need. She works as a nurse and helps people when they are sick. I love spending time with her, especially when we bake cookies together. My dad is strong and hardworking. He goes to work every day to provide for our family. He works as a mechanic and fixes cars. Sometimes he lets me help him in the garage, and I feel proud when I can hand him tools. My older brother is my best friend. He is always there for me and protects me. We have a lot of fun playing video games and going to the park together. He also helps me with my homework when I need it. As a family, we enjoy going on adventures. We often go hiking in the nearby mountains or have picnics at the park. On weekends, we watch movies together and have popcorn. These moments bring us closer and create lasting memories. In our house, there is a lot of laughter and love. We support each other through good times and bad times. We celebrate birthdays and holidays with special traditions and delicious meals. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful family. They make me feel safe and loved. I know that no matter what happens, my family will always be there for me. Thanks for watching. You had made great jobs. See you next lessons. Bye bye.